Wednesday, November the 22nd. Saint Cecilia. Focus. My steps have held fast to your paths. I call upon you, for you will answer me. When I hear of persecution in so many places, I wonder if I might be next, and the fear grips me. Persecution is real and painful, but the response of the mother and her sons, which echoes the focus, strengthens me. It reminds me that I am not alone, that God will reward my fidelity with the sight of His glory. Saint Cecilia knew this. She chose to stay a virgin, be faithful to God, and die an agonizing death, rather than surrender to the demands of the Roman prefect. She demonstrated that God's love comes to perfection in anyone who obeys what Christ taught. Similarly, let me reflect, how prepared am I to face persecution? Jesus will return to take account of what is due to Him. He has invested in us with His own blood. He has equipped us with His teachings and given us a counselor. Some of us may have been entrusted with more. Nevertheless, all are expected to use the Master's gifts to the best of their ability and earn good returns for Him. Like the courageous mother, we must stand firm in the face of threats or intimidation and motivate others also to remain faithful to the Lord. Fruit. Let us hold fast to the Lord's paths despite every challenge and also lend a hand to those of shaky faith.